Upon installation, every single fire alarm system starts out as something called a protected premise. It's not until we add off-site monitoring that the type of fire alarm system that we have changes. Let's take 2 minutes to learn more about the least commonly installed type of fire alarm system, a central station fire alarm. Now, in order for a fire alarm system to be considered a central station fire alarm system, there has to be the installation of said system through a listed company. Whoever is monitoring that fire alarm system has to be a UL listed monitoring company. That fire alarm system also has to have runner service, which, upon receipt of signals from the fire alarm system, the supervising station has a set amount of time to dispatch a runner whose job is to acknowledge, document, and reset the panel. There are special contract arrangements for central station fire alarm systems, and the inspection of these systems is going to be completed by UL. Now, when we have the activation of a fire alarm system that's a central station fire alarm system, what occurs is your initiating devices activate, send a signal to the panel, which then will begin the process of occupant notification. As all of these things are occurring, signal is also sent off-site to that listed monitoring company. Depending on the type of signal, the monitoring company has a set amount of time to dispatch that runner. Runner is going to then show up on site and do their job. Again, their job is three things: acknowledge, document, and reset. Now, when we look at some things that constitute or create a central station fire alarm system, there are going to be contract requirements. Some of those are going to be that services must be provided to the building owner under contract, including the installation through a listed company, monitoring of that fire alarm system through a UL listed monitoring company, inspection and testing has to be performed, and that's going to be through UL. All required record keeping and services must be included. There is a contract with a prime contractor, as well as services can be subcontracted out. On-site, in writing, there has to be indication that this is a central station service. This is going to be issued by the listing agency, and it has to be located within 3 feet of the control unit. It's going to give all the information about the system, the service providers, and the listing agency.